Good day, Safely partners, and thanks for making this stop here with us today on edition 15 of Work Truck 360. My name is Craig Bonham. I'm the Vice President of Commercial Vehicle here at Safely, and I'd like to thank you for the business last year. We've had a fantastic year. We're looking forward to an exciting 2019, and because of that, it's all about getting excited about new products from the team at Prime Design. The product I'd like to show you today is the new Hybrid Modular Ergo Rack solution. It is not vehicle specific. As a matter of fact, it'll go on any vehicle, provided that vehicle's got the proper FBMs. That's the mounting units that go on that product. This product is fully assembled. It's easy to inventory. It's easy to get to and get to the installation point in possibly your shops. Also keep in mind that this will minimize downtime, okay? It's also assembled in a very, very stringent quality standard method, which means that all of the mechanical fasteners are properly torqued, and it's giving you the quality that you've known to expect from Prime Design. Launch date of this product is February 1st of this year. That's right around the corner. So get your questions to our salespeople. Ask us how we can help you. Most importantly, thank you for your business and have a great day.